Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Suijak token. Name of the token is Suijak, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this token is trending number 2 right now in the Sui section on DEX Screener, very popular token. Number 1 right now is the Sui Man token. Check that video out. I posted that about a week or two ago. But yeah, this token has a big market cap, big 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the Suijak token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you could find this token on SuiScan. It's going to give you the price and the transactions and all that stuff on SuiScan. And if you're looking for the chart, you can find it on DEX Screener. Now, as usual, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project here. It is at Sui_Jack on X. And it says here they have 1,026 followers, just joined in October 2024. That's how brand new this project is. Very active on the socials, 114 tweets already, blue verified check mark. It says, wow, he's literally me, Suijak community, and then it has a link to their Telegram right there, at Suijak, and then their webpage, suijak.lol. October 9th, just recently, this is their pinned tweet here. It says, Suijak is officially listed on CoinMarketCap, so that's another place where you could find the chart and information. They could be on CoinGecko. Maybe they're not on CoinGecko. Just so far, it looks like in their tweets here, they have DEX Screener, CoinMarketCap. They do Twitter Spaces as well, so you can listen to them talk about the project. There's a couple Twitter Spaces on here. And yeah, so their SuiScan here says their market cap right now is $1,212,100. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $469,148. They have 7,150 holders so far. Their max supply, total supply, and circulating supply for this token is 10 billion tokens. So you could find the contract address there on the SuiScan or CoinMarketCap or DEX Screener. It says the legendary Wojak now on Sui. So, you know, Wojak, there's been many Wojak tokens that have come out in the past, you know, all the way back. I remember a lot of popular ones in 2021. And yeah, so this token has a $110,000 liquidity pool on Bluemove. They have been doing marketing, it looks like, on DEX Screener. Now, their 24-hour trading volume is around $400,000. They've had 12,683 transactions. This token was created 6 days, 11 hours ago on Bluemove, so it's a fairly new token. They do have a quick audit on DEX Screener. It just says no honeypot and no mintable tokens. And their Telegram here has 418 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates along with the Twitter. So you go to their webpage, they have chart links, swap, Suijak style join, how to buy, and footer. They also have the copy the contract address. They have a get started button. It says Suijak, a new era starts with the legendary Wojak on Sui called Suijak. They have an embedded deck screener chart right on their webpage. So right embedded on their webpage too, they have Sui's fastest swap aggregator. So basically you would just, you can go to their webpage if you're looking to buy this token, suijak.lol. And you can use a stashed wallet, STASHED, and you can download that wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. So, yeah, it says easy login, no need to create new accounts and passwords for every website. Just connect your wallet and get going. Store your digital assets, send, receive, store, and display your digital assets like NFTs and coins with the stashed wallet. So you download the stashed wallet. Then you could fund your wallet with Sui. Now you could fund your stashed wallet with Sui from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So once you have the wallet funded with Sui, then you would just go to their webpage, suijak.lol, click connect wallet on the aggregator, the swap aggregator. You punch in how much Sui you want to spend. It'll tell you how much Suijak tokens you get for that amount, and then you just can click confirm. So they have a little embedded video you could watch on their webpage. It says Suijak is world famous and on the road a lot. Take a look at our media section and get a feel for his lifestyle. From brokey to multimillionaire thanks to the Sui chain. Now they do have here a bunch of memes on their webpage that you could like copy paste, save to your mobile, share them on your social medias. That's a way for the community to shill out the token. And yeah, so it says, come visit us. Suijak is more than just a token. It's a movement destined for prosperity. Join the diamond hands, those who see potential for wealth and impact. The future is bright and history is being made. Will you seize the moment and help Suijak shine? Your journey begins now. So, very bottom of their page, they have tons of links. It looks like they also have a link to CoinGecko, so they're most likely listed on there as well. Contact emails at the bottom of their webpage and a TikTok as well. And it says central exchange listings coming soon. So follow the socials for those announcements. Yeah, very popular token, trending #2. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.